Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Little Skies with a song called Play This at My Funeral. So wow, big title there. Perhaps this is the song. I don't know, but we need to set our capo on the 3rd fret to match up the sound, that's for sure. So capo on 3rd, and we have 3 easy chords to handle here. It's C, D, and E minor. So let's start with C first. That's the chord. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord is D, and we're gonna take the chord like this. And the reason for that is we wanna have a melody built in later on, and the melody is up here, so that's the reason for not having the standard D like that. So this D actually looks exactly as it does for C there, but just 2 frets up. So that gives us 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd on B, and open E. So that's the D. And the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so let's start just with plain strumming here. So we're gonna go through the chords here, and that is the chord progression through the entire song: C, D, and E minor. So for C, you're gonna play. That's it. So down, clap. Then you switch to D. Up here, play down, down, clap. So C, and then again, down, clap on C, and then down, down, clap on D. And immediately after this down, down, clap on D, you go to E minor and play down, clap, clap. And this down, clap, you can put it, and kind of, you can choose the rhythm there. You can go like down, clap, or you can do it faster, down, clap, a longer break, and then down, clap. So as long as you do down, clap, it's fine for this E minor. I can show you how it could sound on one way, and I can play it in another way for the next round. So let's go for a couple of rounds here for C, D, and E minor. So let's go. All right. So the first E minor was like that, and the second one was like that. As long as the switches is made in the right time, so you play C when you should, and D when you should, and E minor, and you make the chord switches there for right timing. That's the main important thing here. Otherwise, how you're handling the down and claps, it's not that important. It's important, but it's secondary. So yeah, timing is everything here. So again, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap. So the E minor is twice as long as the C and D. Alright, so that is the strumming. Now we want to add in this cool melody. I'm going to play the melody as it is only for you, and then I'm going to show you how to build this into the strumming. Starts like this. That's how it goes. So. It takes a while to nail this. I just start to play this melody and it gets better and better. Yeah, so give it time here. I'm gonna show you the notes. So for C, I'm gonna play that part. So it's open G, open B, first B, and second G. Okay, and then for D, you slide up from C to this position here, and you're gonna play that part only. Or yeah, you can even include that note there. So that is from this D chord, you're gonna play fourth on the D string, which you're holding here with the chord, and then fifth on D string, so you're just gonna add it with your little pinky here, like that. And then you're gonna slide up to the second fret D string, and in the same time aiming for the E minor chord, since the note there, the second fret D string, is right before you're gonna play the E minor as it is, the chord. So from this D grip here, fourth on D, fifth on D with little pinky, and then you slide up to this second fret D string, and at the same time grab the second fret A string to prepare for the E minor. This is the E minor chord. So like that. And then you have just the chord E minor left, and you're gonna play open G and second G. So C, then slide up to D, and down to E minor. That's how it goes in slow motion. So so on. Yeah, so try to add in the claps as well. I'm not gonna teach you how to do that. It's yeah, I don't want to go into details like that. You're gonna go in your way and find your feeling for it. It's not right or wrong here. The notes are there, the strumming is there, so try to mix it up there and try to find your way of playing this. So try out the claps there, and this chord there, and E minor there. There you have it. So claps as much as you can and notes in the right places, and that will make Little Skies play this at my funeral. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope that helped, and hope to see you soon. Don't forget, guys, play tuned.